awards is, you know, whenever you come first in class या आप A देखते हो अपने report card पे या star होता है, it gives you an encouragement to do better work, but it doesn't mean you stop doing work if you don't get an award. Nobody does films for awards, but जब मिलता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I've done an amazing deal as a creative person with ABC, and I hope अभी जब मैं LA जाऊँगी कि you know I get to hear really interesting scripts and hopefully if I like something I'll do a show.
We have Piku that releases in April, which is directed by Shujit Sarkar, and then we have Tamasha, which is directed by Imtiaz Ali, and then we have Bajirao Mastani, which is being directed by Sanjay Leela.
Mohenjo-daro is it right now for me. Totally focused onto that. Build something great.
अच्छी उम्मीद है कि इसलिए आए हैं, कुछ अच्छा मनोरंजन होगा वो देखेंगे और किसी कई बड़े-बड़े लोगों को अवार्ड मिलेंगे वो देखेंगे.
बहुत इनकरेजिंग है जब आपको अवार्ड मिलते हैं क्योंकि आप पूरा साल काम करते हो, बहुत काम करते हो, प्रमोट करते हो पिक्चर को ऑडियंस को खुश करने के लिए. तो जब अवार्ड मिलता है तो ऐसे लगता है कि जो आपकी मेहनत थी वो सफल हो गई. क्योंकि इट्स अ रोल बेस्ड ऑन अ कॉमन मैन हु हैज़ अ फैमिली इन पुणे. देयर इज नो हीरोइज्म इन दिस रोल इफ आई माइट से सो. The film is definitely different because I've seen Villain. I wouldn't sign it if it was similar, obviously. And what I can promise is it's a very serious film and should be taken seriously. It's based on true events. It's a film about this family man who loses his family and to what path he chooses to get his revenge. And yeah, it's coming on Feb 20th, so I don't want to say much.
Well, the cast of Udta Punjab will be announced by Phantom Films and by Abhishek Chaubey, who are the producers and the director of the film. I am aware that I am doing the film. I'm aware that Alia is doing the film. I'm aware that there is a conversation with Kareena. I'm not really aware of whether it has been confirmed or not. And there is another principal character which also needs to be cast. So there are 4 important characters in the film. And I know for sure that 2 of them are being played by me and Alia.
I'm very excited for Roy. It is a very, very different film for me, and it's very different to whatever I've done. And that's exciting because also it's coming right after a movie like Kick, you know, which also saw me in a very different role, in a very different way. And I just think like right now also with Roy, I'm pushing the envelope with this one, and you know, I mean, everything is in sync sound, it's playing a double role, like it's just getting bigger and bigger.
मुझे नहीं लगता लोगों के दिल टूटे हैं. अगर दिल टूटते तो इतनी तादाद में लोग देखने नहीं जाते. कुछ लोगों को शायद बुरा लगा है और मैं उसके बारे में वक्त आने पे बात करूंगा.
यार हवाई जहाज़ रिलीज़ हो रही है 30 जैन को, देखने ज़रूर जाना. ऐसे इंसान की कहानी जिसने दुनिया का पहला हवाई जहाज़ बनाया था. एंड शिवकर तलपते उस इंसान का नाम है और पल्लवी शारदा उसमें एक्ट कर रही है मेरे साथ. एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म.
अब तो याद भी नहीं है कि पहला अवार्ड कौन सा था और कब मिला. इतने सारे हो गए हैं, बट जब मिलता है तो ऑब्वियसली खुशी होती है कि आपने इतनी मेहनत की है, फिल्म लगी है और फिल्म चली भी है.
बहुत डेफिनेटली मायने तो रखता है और एक रीअश्योरेंस मिलता है किसी कलाकार को जो अवार्ड जीतता है, स्पेशली न्यू कमर्स के लिए बहुत मायने रखता है.
Bangistan and Bangchur. So these are the 2 films that I have done.
जब आप मेहनत करते हैं so it's sort of an appreciation. जूरी की तरफ से आता है, कई अवार्ड्स जो हैं वो डायरेक्टली ऑडियंस की तरफ से होते हैं. So it's in a way the industry is appreciating your hard work.
Charles has shaped up very well. I think it'll be a March 13th release and I'm quite looking forward to sharing it.
आज की शाम बहुत खास है because I'm here to present an award. Also I'm there to enjoy the performances and enjoy the whole show. Yes, I'm doing a film with T-Series. The title of the film is Sanam Ray. It's a deep, passionate love story.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.